I'm Mike Ingledew, and I'm all about making you successful with your integrated product support strategies. So hello and welcome to this roundup. What you can expect from this roundup is I'm going to give you some information on the TDW-Live event updates and our Understanding XML and S1000D course. So TDW-Live updates, hang around until the end because we will play the new TDW introduction video. A little bit proud of it, if I'm actually honest. So all of those who have signed up, you should now have access to the portal. This is where we will be streaming the event. All exhibitors, thank you for your support, should now verify that you have sent all of your information in for your virtual booths. Speakers, all of the pre-recorded presentations have been sent for verification. Thank you to those who took the time to work with us on this. COVID has interfered somewhat, but together we have made the best of a bad situation. If I'm honest, the presentations look great. We had some fun putting them together. To all of the speakers, you should have been invited to a test session where we can verify that you can connect and present. If you are having issues or did not receive the invite, please get in touch. If you have any issues accessing the event or need help, please contact Claire, who will be able to support you. For those not attending the presentations but have questions for any of the presenters, please send your questions to us at question@tdw-live.com, or you may join the daily live panel discussions via our YouTube, Facebook and Twitter feeds. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified when we actually go live. Last week we announced our upcoming live Understanding XML and S1000D course planned for the 7th to the 11th of November. We have updated the material to include some wider IPS elements and how the S1000D based technical publication plays within the world of integrated product support, IPS. We have a few spaces remaining as we are capping at 30. If you need some more information on this, please do get in touch with us. For those interested, we have also set dates for our live and online S1000D for Technical Authors course and Understanding ASD 2000M for Q1 2021. If you have any questions, concerns, or just want to get in touch, please feel free to reach out. Please enjoy the new TDW IPS introduction video. We like it a lot. I'm really proud of how it's come out, so do send us your comments and thoughts on that. Looking forward to delivering TDW Live this year. I think it will be, of course it's going to be different, but I hope, we're not going to be where we normally are this time of year, but hopefully we can still engage and have a debate and have a discussion. Those of you who are joining the online sessions, you will be given instructions on how you can ask questions during sessions. And those of you who are not signing up to actually watch the presentations but would like to ask questions of the experts that we have joining us, make sure you follow us on our social media because we are going to be live streaming daily Q&A panel discussions to our social media. I'm Michael Ingledew. I'm all about making you successful with your IPS strategies. Look forward to hearing from any of you that may have some questions.